What's going on? This is Charlie from Babyback Biker Gang, and in this video I'm actually going to be doing some beginner mods to my 2023 Honda Grom. It's nothing crazy. First of all, I'm going to get rid of this whale tail. This thing is atrocious. The most ugly part of the bike by far. So I'm going to get rid of that with the Fender Eliminator. Obviously when you get rid of this, these turning signals are going to be gone. So I also have an integrated taillight. That just means that the turning signals are going to be on the taillight itself. Also, it's going to be remounting the plate, so that'll be mounted underneath the seat. And then I also have a Kemimoto Exhaust. So the exhaust ran me about $100, and according to the reviews, it actually sounds pretty good. So I'm going to slap those on, and we'll get started. I don't think that I'm going to do an install video, just because, I mean, there's plenty of videos of people installing this stuff online. It's very basic. So I'm just going to slap that on, and I'll catch you back once everything is on. So let's go. Alright, so about a half hour later, I got the cleanup kit on with the taillight, the integrated taillight. You can see I went for the smoked lens, and you can see my plate down there. It's way more low profile. Now, instead of having that big thing that came out all the way up to there with those nasty taillights, let me turn the bike on. Turn that on. Okay. You can see the light is on. I'm going to squeeze the brake for you too. Hopefully it's in focus. You can see it flashes 3 times, which is nice. Do turnings. They've got sequentials. They come this way by default, but you can turn the sequential off if you don't like it. I personally like it, so I'm going to leave it on. Go right. And back to normal. So yeah, that went really well. Now the easy part actually is just the exhaust. That's literally going to be like 2 bolts right at the head. I actually took the muffler off. I've been running it open. Just, I don't know what you would call this on a bike. On a car, maybe you'd say mid-pipe. But yeah, so I'm going to get the remaining part of that pipe off, get the new exhaust on, and I'll let you see what it looks like after that. Alright, I just put the exhaust on. Let me start her up. Keep in mind that is with the baffle still in, so there is a silencer in there that I'm probably going to take out, but this is what it sounds like with it in. Alright, and I just took the baffle out. It's actually right there. Let's see what it sounds like now. Oh yeah, that sounds a lot better. It's a lot deeper. Got more of like a rumble to it. Sounds good. Alright, I will see you back on the GoPro when me and Luke go for a ride in a little bit. Alright, I'm with Luke now. Recording. Or it should be recording, right?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. So yeah, I got the exhaust on, got the taillight in obviously. I'm actually having an issue where when I go like to turn the turn signal on, the front's not going. And I'm pretty sure it said not to put the certain relay in, but I'll have to tinker with that at home. Right now I'm just getting our comms paired on the Senna app.
The back end looks so much nicer.
Without it, right?
Yeah.
Damn, tractor racing! Alright, Luke's gonna...
Look at this guy. Straight ahead.
Oh, I passed him before, I think. Oh no, there's a little kid on it. Oh, there we go. Alright, we're paired. I'm too excited. Yeah. Yeah. I know, I definitely like did. I'm like shifting right under red line most of the time.
Oh god.
What the fuck, Richard?
Yeah. Yeah. Stay to the right up here. Alright, we're good to go on the left now. That's crazy. And then you have a little crack shack alley down there. Start pooling our money for the crack shack. It is property. It'd be like the Goon House. Yeah, that property still is going to be ridiculous though. Yeah. It moves. Oh, 100 miles. Hold on, I gotta pull over. Damn it, I'm only getting 132 miles to the gallon. Recording still? Alright, we hit 100 miles. Alright, I think I'm going to call the video there. Already been recording for a really long time. I'm sure I'm going to chop up the drive, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.